Let's make 3 easy Easter DIYs using the Cricut. This first one is super simple, using just a Dollar Tree frame, a moss sheet also from Dollar Tree, and a piece of scrapbook paper. I took out the frame contents and then cut out an egg shape from the scrapbook paper. Here's the design, and then I just took that moss sheet, put it on the frame backing, and layered that cutout on top. Reassemble the frame, and that's it. The second project is also super simple. I took this glass plate and this design that I created and turned into a decal. I cut that out on black permanent vinyl and cleaned off the glass plate before applying the decal right to the center. Now, I thought this was a little plain and I wanted the decal to show up a little bit more, so I took some metallic paint and painted onto the back of the plate so that the decal would be nice and clear. I set this on one of the Dollar Tree display easels and it makes a super cute Easter display. This would be a nice little gift for baptism or whatever the case. This third project is also really simple, just applying a decal that I cut with my Cricut. I'm using this old sign and I just painted over that design with this blue chalk paint. Then I applied that decal. It says, "Silly bunny, Easter is for Jesus," and I just love that quote. I also cut some decals of greenery and added these little faux flowers to the center to add a little more detail. To finish off this cute little Easter sign, I cut out some bunny ears from burlap ribbon, attached those to the back, and added a little bow. These are all projects that I shared on my other channel previously, so if you want the full video, I will link those in the description.